Mathematics. Gumpales Rebecca Antonio, TBDTS Rati, and second best paper, Social Non-ANR, University Research Congress. Ayan Bengue. Damlay Frederick Tibiwa, Bagong Bengue. Diliva, Jonaline Agunita, Baguio City. Inyong Raquel Cosalan, Becker Provincial Scholarship, Ibungan, Bengue. Lumino Marilyn Bautista, second best paper, Social Non-ANR, Baguio City. Milan Jefferson Abinoca, Baguio City. Santong Cristina Gabrica, Trinidad, Bengue. Yano Nicola Kai Dawei, second best paper, Social Non-ANR, Ibungan, Bengue. Graduates of Bachelor